Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 7. How are you all? Today the weather is getting pleasant again, but we pray to Allah that it appears to be safe and sound for all of us. So today is 29th of August 2025 and today is Friday, as you all know. And we studied about adverbs in our last lesson. Today we'll just have a quick recap of adverbs and then we'll start doing a creative writing. Okay, as you know that every Friday we do creative writing, so we are going to do it again today. Adverbs. Who is going to tell me what do we exactly mean by adverb? Yes, adverb means the words which explain the verb. काम हो रहा है, काम कैसे हो रहा है, right? He is performing energetically. Or for example, the cricketers, they perform energetically. So how are they performing? They are performing energetically. Energetically would be the adverb here, right? And then you are listening keenly. How are you listening? Keenly. बड़े गौर से सुन रहे हैं आप. कोई काम कैसे किया जा रहा है वो हमें बताते हैं adverbs. वो अल्फाज, they are the adverbs. Okay. If I want to write an adjective for singing, let's say. Yes, how come? Which word can we use for it? Beautifully, melodiously, enthusiastically. You know, singing requires enthusiasm as well. So these are all the words which we can use for a person who sings very well. And the one who sings very well sings beautifully, sings melodiously, sings enthusiastically. Okay? Anything else? Speak is a word. Which adverbs can be used? Speak. Speak. अब हम कैसे कैसे बोलते हैं? Those words will be the adverbs. Okay? Speak loudly. Speak slowly. Speak confidently. Speak clearly. Speak politely. See, there are many words that describe that how can we speak and how should we speak, by the way. Should we speak loudly? Loudly. No, we should speak slowly. We should have a medium pace of speaking, you know. Speaking very fast or speaking very slow. Both are not like appreciable. Confidently, yes, we should speak confidently. We should speak clearly. Yes, we should speak clearly. And foremost, we should speak politely. Very good, Afnan. Any other? Working. Okay, work. How? Quickly. Then work peacefully. And work quietly. And work efficiently. And work any other? Then we studied about these all adverbs show that how the work is being done, है ना? इससे पता चल रहा है कि काम कैसे हो रहा है. अगर हम if you just want to tell that when is the work happening? For example, I go to school at 7 a.m. or early in the morning. So I go to school. Go is a verb, and when am I going there? At 7 a.m. or at early in the morning. So early in the morning is also an adverb of time. Got it? I go daily to school at 7 a.m. I go daily to school at early in the morning, or I go to school at 7 a.m. daily. So daily tells us that how am I going to school? What is my manner? I am going to school on a daily basis. Okay, this is called the adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Okay. So boys and girls, there are lots and lots more, but we will be inshallah, Allah Taala khair wa afiyat rakhe har taraf. We'll be starting a regular school from Monday onwards. So inshallah, we'll be continuing with the same in our class. Okay. Now we have to discuss today's creative writing topic. Let me clear my board first. Every Friday we do creative writing on a topic which is in your observation, which you have experienced of. As we did, the topic was last week. The topic was environmental changes and causes and effects. Right? We all are experiencing environmental changes these days. No? So, what do you think could be a related topic? Considering the circumstances which we all are undergoing, which we all are experiencing, which we all are observing these days. खबरों में हम देख रहे हैं, हम सोशल मीडिया पे देख रहे हैं, हम बातें कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं. What is that? Floods. Exactly. Floods. Today's topic is we are going to discuss about floods. We'll be discussing the causes of floods, their effects, and how can we overcome them. And if God forbidden, as we all are suffering the situation, what precautionary steps are to be taken to stop or to control these floods. Okay. We'll be discussing all these points today, inshallah. And do not forget to divide your creative writing content into 3 parts. You know it. What are they? Being the first one is shabash, introduction, first paragraph. Okay. Second is main body. It should comprise of 2 to 3 paragraphs. And third is conclusion, in which you can write 1 paragraph, or the suggestions, or the methods of overcoming such kind of situations. Okay, take 2 minutes with you. So by taking help from all those points, you will be able to write a good piece of writing, which I want. Okay? Okay, let me prepare the board for a mind map now. Now students, begin with an imagery now. Let's imagine that the sky is full of clouds and the clouds are full of water, and the water level in the clouds is to this much extent that when it falls on the earth cannot hold its weight. There is a lot of water on the earth and earth is unable to breathe. This is what we are watching these days. This is what we are going through these days. Now, first of all, we have to tell in the introduction, we have to tell that what is exactly flood. Okay? So what is flood? Girls. Iman Riyaz, what is flood? Good. Lots of rains or heavy rains. Oh, I think I am getting too much higher, out of focus, I guess. Let me manage it somehow. Okay. Heavy rains. Okay. What else? Heavy rain. What happens when there is heavy rain around? Yes. Lot of water on the earth. Okay. When there are heavy rains on a particular area, it increases the water level in the rivers, in the dams, and as a result, they start overflowing, right? And that overflowing causes the water to enter in the land areas, causing destruction. Okay? So, this is the, you may write it in definition. Then we come to you may call, you may write as, sorry, introduction. Introduction. Okay. Then in the main body, we'll write the causes. What do you think are the causes? There are two types or maybe more than two types of causes. One is natural cause and the other is human generated cause. What do you think we mean by natural cause? Yes, very good. Heavy rains and any other? Yeah, river overflow. Any other? See, the new term which we people have been introduced to now this year is cloud burst, glacier burst. हमने पहले नहीं सुने थे ये नाम, ना ही हमने कभी देखा था या कभी खबर में पढ़ा था कि क्लाउड बर्स्ट भी हो सकता है, ग्लेशियर बर्स्ट भी हो सकता है. So this is a natural, cause. Glacier burst. Glaciers का पता है ना? Do you know what are glaciers? Yes, the big, big body of snow in northern areas, in mountainous areas mainly, they are the glaciers. जब बहुत सारी बर्फ पड़ती रहती है, वो जमती रहती है, तो बर्फ के बड़े बड़े गोले बन जाते हैं, इनको ग्लेशियर कहते हैं. वो ग्लेशियर दे आर मेल्टिंग. When they start melting, they increase the level of water in the rivers and it may cause flood also. Okay. So, or there could be landsliding as well. फट रहे हैं आजकल glaciers. So it's like horrible. What other causes are? चलिए ये तो नेचुरल हो गई ना. हमने क्या किया इसके अंदर? हमारा भी तो बड़ा हिस्सा है ये causes के अंदर ना. We are playing a very destructive role in the happening of these floods. That is very good. Deforestation. Have you seen the videos on the YouTube, or have you seen the news channels? They have shown that when Bonaire, there was flood and there was cloud burst, and they had seen that lots of huge rocks were included in that particular flow of water. वो हम तक कैसे पहुंच गए? वो उस आबादी तक कैसे चले गए? क्योंकि दरख्त ही नहीं थे. दरख्त क्यों जरूरी है? कि वो रोक लेते हैं. They stop heavy objects to reach up to the population. अगर वहाँ बहुत से दरख्त होते, जंगल रह गए होते, तो वो इतने बड़े बड़े पत्थर कभी इस आबादी तक ना पहुँच पाते और शायद इतना नुकसान ना होता जितना हो गया है ना. See, this is our fault, humans fault. उसकी वजह से कितना नुकसान हो गया, which we do not realize even, right? Then we have one more important is poor drainage system, which we all suffer a lot. जरा सी बारिश हुई नहीं और हमारी गलियां और सड़कें ब्लॉक हुई नहीं. So there is no proper drainage system in the country कि पानी वो कहीं निकल जाए, drain हो जाए. So it stays on the surface of the earth for a longer period of time. ये भी हमारी गलती है कि हम नहीं बना रहे. Humans are not doing it. Then destroying the agricultural land and making and doing construction with the river banks. Right? It also causes a lot of problems. And one more important thing which we discussed last week also, the climate change. What happens? What do we mean by climate change? क्या करें हम climate को? अपने इर्द-गिर्द के हमारी आबो-हवा को हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Yes, the world is experiencing global warming. The temperature is rising. The Earth's temperature is getting higher day by day, which is causing this cloud burst, which is causing this glacier burst, which is causing the rain to fall to an abnormal level. Okay? So, what is basically cloud burst? Have you researched about it? कि आप रिसर्च करें, पढ़ें, देखें, वीडियोस देखें, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज, then you will come to know that cloud burst and glacial burst is actually the cause of high temperature, which has caused a major climatic change. When the temperature rises high, it creates pressure in the clouds, and we know that there is water in the clouds. Okay, and these are the causes of floods. Next we will discuss the effects. That what effect the clouds have. The floods have. Floods see the destruction of buildings, houses, and what not. Death rate increases, death toll. बहुत से लोग अपनी जानों से चले गए, बहुत से जानवर मर गए, ठीक है, बहुत सी फसलें तबाह हो गई, लॉस ऑफ क्रॉप्स. Why are we experiencing why are we experiencing a lot of inflation these days? Because of floods. The floods have destroyed our agricultural areas. The crops have been destroyed. That is why the prices of every vegetable is reaching up to the sky. ठीक है, वजूहात है. There are reasons. Destruction है. There is a lot of other and lots of diseases are spreading in the areas which are under flood. Right? There are lots of things which are having very bad effect on the human beings living in the areas of floods. So what can we do? Suggestions में. Here I write suggestions. ज़्यादा जब flood से बचना है ना, we have to construct more dams. Construct more dams. Forestation is important. And to no construction on river banks. दरियाओं के किनारों पे लोगों को आबाद ना होने दें. अभी जो रावी has turned fierce these days, and there is a lot of destruction over there because people were living on its banks. So boys and girls, you have to write. You may add more details of it. You have to write a minimum of 250 words in your notebook, very neatly with paragraphs properly written. Okay, and I'll see you on Monday, inshallah. Allah Taala हम सब के लिए आसानी पैदा करे, and may He protect us all from such natural disasters. Allah Hafiz.